Today we'll talk about how can you download image on your dream app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so to download image, you just go down here. So then here in this list, can you select here any image you want to download here. I'm going to just click in this sign on this image here. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on download image. So then here automatically it's going to download with you here on your uh, dream app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.